Thinking about the Kubernetes certification for a long time, but not able to start because do not know where to start. Well, my name is VJ, and I have been working in IT space for 15 years. In the last 4 5 years, I have been working specifically with the cloud and DevOps technologies in Australia and New Zealand. I think it's a very straightforward approach if you have a clear picture of what you want to do. So I will give you 5 points to achieve your CK exam if you are new to it. First of all, book your exam. So if you're not booking your exam, you will be keep thinking about it, keep scrolling it. There's no motivation for preparation. Book your exam, give yourself few months. If you are already working Kubernetes, probably a month is more than enough. So book your exam and get started. Second thing is understand what is Kubernetes is and its content. So for example, CK exam has divided in five domain you can say, or competency you can say. So for example, storage, troubleshooting, workloads, you know, API server, those kind of five domains. There are five domains and they have divided those. So understand that because a lot of people who book the CK exam never went through this. So they do not know what's going to be asked in the question, exam. Next is Buy a KodeKloud course by Mumsad Mohammed, and it's a one of the best courses in the internet. It has hands-on. If you go through this, you will have a good understanding about Kubernetes, but also will have a hands-on experience. Fourth is building a Kubernetes cluster using Kind or Minikube on your laptop. This will give you a good understanding and feel that what is Kubernetes first of all. What are the services? What is scheduler? What is API server? What is control plane? What is etcd, and all those components you will understand if you build yourself on your laptop, right? You can use Kind for the multi-node cluster, or you can have just Minikube for a single node cluster. They use the Docker, both of them, to work on it. So it will be good understanding, you know what I mean. Last one is start practicing, because it's all about practicing. CK is exam itself is about practicing. If you're not practicing, you will not get anywhere, regardless how much you can memorize things. So get started, book your exam, and I hope you succeed. All right. All the best. Follow my other video. I will be trying to build more video around the CK exam itself. Thank you.